Hello, good morning, friends, and this is Sunny. Good morning to all of you, my friends and my students. And today we are basking under this shining sun, and I hope that you all would be very healthy and comfortable at your home. So today we have come here with a very good session with my dearest friend Kumar sir will be with me after 2 minutes. And today we are going to shed lights on the importance of English. As you can see here, we have written the importance of English language by Kumar sir and S.K. sir, faculties of Drona Senior Secondary School, Muzaffarpur. So, my students, today this is the second video we are preparing. Yesterday I had prepared myself only one videos on the importance of spoken English. But today I am just collaborating with one of my best friends of English faculties of Drona Secondary School, Senior Secondary School, Muzaffarpur, Mr. Kumar sir. Just he will join me after 2 or 3 minutes. So, my dear friend, my dear students, how you are feeling? You will just message us only, on the YouTube channel. And I am calling my friends, Mr. Kumar sir, and he will shed light on the importance of English. So please welcome our dear sir, Kumar sir, on the stage here, and he will shed some light on the importance of English. Sir, please come.
At first, lots of thanks to SK sir, who has given me such types of opportunity to speak something in English. And very good morning to my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the importance of English. Why is English language important for us? Dear students, if you go any places, if we go to any places in India or abroad India, we need to talk or we need to discuss. At first, either we will have to know the local language of that particular place or English language, because English language is an international language, as we know that. So if we go any places for example, if you go to any place in India, in south part, there we can speak English, and English language is speaking more than as compared to their local language. So dear students, it will be very beneficial to us if we talk in English. Whatever we need to talk with teachers or friends or parents, try to speak in English, because if you speak in English, one day you will become a good speaker. And it doesn't matter you need to learn so many words. It doesn't matter. Whatever you know, you can speak English very well. So students, you must try, and you will know now some tips by the SK sir. He will help you how to speak in English. Come sir. Thank you sir.
And very good. And I thank you our Kumar sir because he came here on the stage and gave you all some tips, and he just shed some light the importance of English. And this is the second video I am preparing for all of you, the tips of spoken English. So my dear students, first we have some questions. The questions are what is the importance of English language in our life? What is the importance of English language in our life? And sir has already told you all that without English we cannot go abroad and somewhere where people don't know our mother tongue like Hindi. So if we go, suppose if you go Nepal, it is very small country, and just Nepal is our neighbor. And there also, if you don't know Nepali, then definitely we will have to speak in English. So English has been a lingua franca, and that is the importance of English in our life. It is important for our career as well. You know that speaking English is like a skill we are developing inside us, because even our government has started so many initiatives to make us skillful so that we can get employed somewhere. Yes, so we can learn English and we can become successful. This is like a skill. English speaking is like a skill, I have already told that our government is also trying to make us skillful, because according to our PM, there are so many skills we can learn to get employment in our country. So English is one of them. It is also the lingua franca of the common people, because these days in schools as well, whenever you go, people prefer speaking in English to other languages. No. Next, we can say that English is also boosting the economy of our country. You better know that there are so many multinational companies that have set up their branches here in India, and they need English speaking people. So if our English is so good, we shall get employment there and we can earn in dollars, boosting the economy of our country. Next, it is the language of trade and commerce, because you better know that the whole world has become globalized, and this is the era of globalization. This is the era of marketing, and this whole world has become a market. We can go and we can sell our commodities across the world. For that, we know English, we need English, and if we have a good communicative skill, we can sell our commodities out there in foreign and overseas countries. And fifth and last is, it is the language of all the popular agencies of the world, like WHO and UNICEF I was talking about. These are the one of the famous agencies of the world that run so many social work across the world. They have their own language in English, and they have their official language in English. So my dear students, this is the importance of English, and we should stick to it, and anyhow we should try to learn it. Anyhow we have to learn English, right? So my dear friends, focus on this language and learn how to communicate in a better way. If we learn English in a proper way, we can be able to communicate to all of us, and it is so important that sometimes you will feel that without English we can make our situation bad. No, I know that Hindi is our mother tongue, but one very important point I would like to cite and express that if I am getting employment learning English only, then why to go to learn Hindi? So my dear friends, we have to learn, anyhow we have to learn how to communicate in English, and we should focus on this very subject, very chapter, very communicative skill. And we have been inspiring all of you with Kumar sir was here a few minutes ago, and we all both tried our best to convince you and to inspire you, to instill some important points inside you, so English can be spoken anywhere. So I'll see you just in the next classes. I think it was the last day of the closure of the school, and tomorrow is 26th January. So that is the one of the gala days in the history of modern India, and I hope everybody will be enjoying this moment. Everybody will be enjoying this moment tomorrow, and from Monday onward we will meet each other on offline mode. Offline mode we are going to meet from Monday onward, my students. So English is one of the confidence building language. When our English is improved, our confidence level is always high, and we don't become shy, and we don't become extrovert. We are introvert. Sorry, we don't become introvert. We become extrovert. So this is our liability and responsibility to improve our English language, so that our ideas will be expressed before anybody very clearly. And the other thing, my dear students, one more thing that I would like to focus, that if your English is not strong, your other subject is also very bad. So far as I know, I have been the students of science as well. So I read chemistry and physics, and I got that my English was good. That's why I was able to understand all the theories. No, but I don't expect the same from the weak students who are weak in English. Those students who are weak in English are not able to comprehend even the theory of physics, chemistry, and some art subjects like SST, geography, which are already in English. So my dear students, I just make a request to everyone that focus on conversational skill very it is very important, very imperative for all of us, because when you go for interviews, interviewer will never ask you what are the kinds of nouns and what are the kinds of pronouns. In fact, they will like to talk to us, they will like to know about us, who are we and where are we from and what is our background, like this. These questions are normally asked in English. So my dear friends, we have to make ourselves conversant in English and don't be tight-lipped. You better know that in my offline classes, I have been encouraging all of you to speak and communicate with me and make a group of students and talk to them each other, because after this age you will never get some chances like this, because here in schools you are getting lots of friends to talk to, but when you go outside of school after getting your education finished, no, you will never get such bunch of friends, and then you will have to pay somewhere in coaching institutions to make learn English. That's why, my friends, that is the last thing I would like to suggest you, that English anyhow should be made strong, and anyhow we have to learn how to communicate. So for today's this lecture, from this lecture I am just ending my class, and hope to see you tomorrow in next day, I mean on Monday onward, in the offline classes. So bye, have a good day.